What if I told you there's a single format that powers APIs, AI tools, and even modern accounting software? One language understood by both humans and machines. It's not Excel. It's not SQL. It's JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a simple text-based format for storing and exchanging structured data. Think of it like filling out a digital form. Every field has a name, and every name has a value. JSON is everywhere. Web apps use it, APIs speak it, AI agents whisper it. Each entry in JSON is a key value pair. The key tells us what the data is. The value tells us what it's worth, sometimes literally when we're talking about financial data. It's this simple structure that makes JSON so powerful. Compared to XML, JSON is shorter, cleaner, and easier to read. YAML is nice too, but sometimes too relaxed for strict data exchange. JSON strikes the perfect balance, structure enough for machines, readable enough for humans. Accountants and auditors use JSON too. Imagine extracting financial data from invoices. You parse it into JSON with fields like invoice ID, vendor amount, and date. Now an AI system can summarize this data, detect duplicates, or validate against your ERP records. Auditors can even define controls as rules over JSON field. And here's where JSON becomes a secret weapon. AI agents don't just speak natural language. They call tools by generating JSON. The agent is saying, hey, run this function with these values. This isn't just data, it's intent. The simple block of Python code turns structured JSON into working functionality. It's like wiring your brain to fingers, and JSON is the nerve signal that connects them. Whether you're building an app, auditing a company, or prompting an AI, JSON is probably under the hood. It's the Lego bricks of structured communication. JSON, it's clarity plus structure plus action. When the most powerful languages in the digital world, especially if you're building AI tools for accounting or beyond. Ready to build smarter tools? Let JSON be your guide, your translator be between human interaction and machine execution.